Tech and Crypto here once again. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly do so to subscribe to the YouTube channel if this is your first time visiting this channel, and also turn on the notification button to get more updates on phone tech and crypto. So good morning. I brought about the new updates on Binance, how to earn free money from Binance using the Learn and Earn page. So now this is the update here. You can see only for verified members. You can see it, Binance Learn and Earn free crypto tokens. More details. So if you want to go to the page, either you click here. If you click here to direct you to a site, then you log in your Binance account, log in your details there so you can log in, or you just go to the app. If you are using the application, you go to the application instead. You go to the application instead directly, then you search for, look at the banner. I'll show you an example. Okay, so this is just the update. You can see, open the Binance app, check banner, click on open, complete all quiz and get the rewarded in few hours. Okay, this is the answers. So you have made it easy for you guys. It's very easy for you guys now, so no need for you to crack your brain thinking how to get the answer. We already dropped the answer for you. Yours is just to go to the site, site here, and input all these answers that we're giving to you guys here, so you can see it. I think the BUSD answer and Shiba, I think they are all ended, like their slot has filled up. You get, so it's left to just this Poker Starter and Woo, and I think one other that's this Anchor and and Luna. That's the one that are left. So very soon now the spot will fill to be very filled up. If you are not really fast about it, it's a first come first serve stuff. So I think I've done mine. I'm waiting for my reward in my wallet. So let's just get started. You can see an example, but let me just show you guys example so to make it very easy for you. Okay, so now and also if you are interested in joining my premium group, kindly DM me on my email. I'll drop my email in the description below. Okay, so thank you guys. So let me show you an example now on how it goes. So go to your Binance. So let me show you an example, guys. This is my Binance. Okay, this is my Binance page. You can see this is my Binance page. So sorry guys. Okay, this is my Binance page. So now you have to swipe. You see this page here, this particular part, you swipe it. You see Binance Learn and Earn. Click on it. That's the stuff. Click on it. You can see. You see it. Welcome. Wow, really. Yeah, if it is still ongoing, guys, so you will see welcome to Woo stuff. You see Luna there, so just click on start course. Click on start course. That's if it is still ongoing, but I guess maybe because I've answered mine, that's why it's not really showing again. But at your end there, it might show, so you click on start course, but don't click on welcome to crypto. They're not giving any giveaway for that. So once you click on it, it should bring up something like this. Then you click on this arrow here, click on it to the end. Then you scroll up, you see at this upper part here, you see start quiz. Then click on start quiz. Then you follow the step. So instead of you thinking about to answer the question, just go back to the WhatsApp there. You see, just go back there. You see the answers there. You can see the answers. You can see. So for Luna, this is the answer. You just click A and B for number 1, then click on answered, then number 2 again, just like that till you end it. You get. So that's just how it is. Guys. But I don't know why I'm not seeing it at my end here. I'm supposed to be seeing that. But nevertheless, you can give a try at your end over there too. So you can see my reward history. I'm done with it. They are processing it. So I'm waiting for them to create my account. So that is just it, guys. You know what? If any update is also ongoing, I'll drop it earlier for you guys. Okay. Thank you guys.